you. Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to cancel ReelShort subscription. If you want to cancel your ReelShort subscription and avoid being charged after the free trial, you can easily do it through the Google Play Store. Following these simple steps will ensure your subscription is ended smoothly without any issues. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions to manage all your purchases and active plans. Then, tap on Subscriptions to view a complete list of all your current subscriptions linked to your account. Find the ReelShort subscription plan from the list and tap Remove to begin the cancellation process. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Remove again to successfully cancel your ReelShort subscription after the free trial. Once these steps are completed, your subscription will be canceled, and you will not be charged when the trial period ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.